Hello guys, my name is Ilona. I'm a model and I have long, heavy hair, and sometimes it's so difficult to keep it beautiful, healthy, and actually dry it. I wash my hair 3 times a week, and so I ordered Dyson, but it took for a while to get it finally. Like I was waiting 2 months, and until I was waiting I got other stuff from Amazon. And this video I want to compare Dyson with other gadgets, but more cheaper, I can say, from Amazon, and see if really Dyson cost that price. So what I have this stuff. It costs $37. Kind of cool, yeah. And finally I got Dyson too, and I'm gonna use it right now and see which result I like more. So right now my hair wet. I think it's still fine to use Dyson and use other stuff too. I'm gonna do half Dyson, half what is the name? Kiposi. Oops. Looks like this. It has 3 speeds. Of course, thermal protection. I use this one, number 1, Revlon. I love it. It smells so good, like coconut. I love coconut. So I think I'm done with this part, but what I can say about this stuff, it's because it's all like it's blowing air all around, and I use warm. It's like so hot. I feel like I want to go to take a shower again. But the result is fine, and I don't like it's pulling my hair too much because I have long hair and I have it brush it again. But $37. Let's see Dyson. I'm gonna start from this one. This stuff doesn't really work for my hair because it's not strong enough. It doesn't even brushing my hair. It's just like pulling, but I don't like this stuff. Okay, it's the other one. it was faster and easier. Yeah, so this part, it was faster and easy and less hot. So let's see the result. So I can say this part more softer, and this is still, I feel like wet inside. Here is wet, and here is like almost dry, long, beautiful hair. I can say Dyson won this challenge. It's so much easier with Dyson. It looks good, yeah. And I use oil to still also to protect my hair even more. And I spent like 50 minutes to make my hair completely dry, shiny, beautiful. In 50 minutes, it's never was like that before, and I think it cost that money. Dyson. Thank you who were watching this video, and I hope you're gonna find this video helpful for you. This cost $550 and this has cost $37. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and push button. Thank you for watching.